Hey Sophie, show us your leprechaun trap. Let me move this way. Whoa. Okay, show us what it does.
So this is what we got now.
Yep.
Remember the video where we were making it?
Yep.
Finally got it done.
Yep, let's show them all the pieces to it. Here's the ladder. The leprechaun's gonna doop, 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 climb up the ladder. And then this box is gonna be open though whenever he climbs up because it's gonna see the words playground. And he's gonna wanna go inside. He's gonna come up the ladder here and slide down the slide into the, like the little ball pit or a little squishy thing of marshmallows. We hot glued those in there. And he's gonna come over here and go on his monkey bars. Doop, 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 doop.
And it leads to the treasure.
It leads to the pot of gold, but really it is glitter glue. And we decided that since the glitter glue didn't dry all the way, that he's gonna get stuck in there, and that's how we're gonna trap him.
Yep. Instead of closing it, we're gonna trap him like that.
Yep, he's just gonna get stuck in that glitter glue. Cool. High five. Okay. Let's skedaddle. We need to go ahead and go.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. Look at how cute Sophie is. Oh, so cute. Morning everybody. So we are rushing to, well I guess not rushing, but kind of rushing to leave. Caleb has to get his hair cut and we're all gonna go with him because the lady who's cutting his hair is the same lady who cut Amelia's hair. So we know her, she's from church. I'm sure she's gonna be watching this. So hey Angie. Hey, do you want mixed berry or strawberry banana?
Strawberry banana.
Strawberry banana, that flavor was good, huh? Okay. All right. So, just set you guys down real quick. Oh, you can't even see my head. Sorry. We have a little girl who's just a little cranky because she hasn't had breakfast yet. So we're just gonna throw some apples in there. And we're gonna have a fruit squeezy. And then, should be good. Do you guys say good morning?
Mommy. What's that?
It was your armpit making a fart noise. That's funny, huh? Okay, well, we're going to go ahead and get in the car. We'll see you guys in there. Let me kiss. So, we're driving. Caleb's looking real cute. I'll show you his outfit. Oh, that's so cute. Looks so cute in shorts. So remember how the last video that I put up of my dread update said that it was hair wash day? Well, I never got around to washing my hair, and then I didn't again yesterday. So today, 2 days late from wash day, I finally washed it. And I'm trying to, since it's getting warmer and not so dry, I'm trying to go back to washing it every like 3 or 4 days instead of every like 4 or 5 days. So I really need to like get back on that. Especially since it's so sunny and I can just go outside and like leave it to air dry. It'll be a lot nicer. Man, this camera's heavy. Like my arm is like, oh.
That's all working out.
I know well, this is enough of a workout. I can just. Hi, Amelia. See if we can zoom in on you. There you are. You're so cute. Okay, well, we're almost to the hair place now, so I'll probably film a little bit of your haircut. I don't even know if you can hear me because the music is kind of loud.
Yeah.
It's okay. We're worshiping Jesus. So I don't care if you can hear me or not.
Monday on the road said Big Bird. Maybe this is the way it's Sesame Street. Big Bird said Big Bird. So you walking along the fairway.
Would you like to have a baby brother?
I've been trying to convince Caleb that we ought to have a baby right now, but
Yeah, everybody else up here saying They get easier though once they get out of the
Yeah.
Did she adore your pants?
I ain't changed a dirty diaper in 2 years.
I'll probably have to do something baby. Things make me sick. You got rolled. Dirty diaper. All right, Daddy can get up.
You like an Egyptian.
Come on over here.
Okay, so friend Chris is here and we are going on an adventure. We are hiking and 4 out of 5 of us are in sandals. They're both in jelly shoes and me and Caleb are in sandals. Chris is the only one in proper shoes. That's because he lives in Ohio and it's apparently still cold up there. Who knew? Oh, look at this lizard. There. Don't scare him. Hi, little guy. Yeah. It's okay.
I want
Maybe
it.
Chris will catch him.
Where's he at?
Right there.
I'll try, but I don't think I can get my hands in there. He'll jump. My phone's ringing.
Try to get him from his phone. He's right there.
Oh, there he goes. That was
Oh,
cool
wow.
though.
Did
That's
you see how
okay.
he jumped in the air?
Listen, now that it's getting warmer, we'll probably see a million more lizards. No worries.
Obviously, you gotta get a picture of that, right?
Oh yeah. Oh gosh, I got like crap in my hair.
Extreme danger.
So
Cliff
it's so
area.
pretty back there, so I was gonna film, but then we decided to film this instead. Okay.
That's probably where the...
Extreme danger. Now we gotta stop the girls because they're running all ahead of us and there's extreme danger. Come on, baby. What's wrong? Come on, baby. Well, come on, let's go talk to her.
We're supposed to be holding hands and both being a little oh, a little seat.
Isn't that cute? Come on, let's go.
Big one.
So pretty, you guys. So pretty. And so pretty, Sophie. Sophie's the prettiest thing out here. Okay, go up there and hold sister's hand.
Can I do my hiker's pose?
Yeah, I think I already got one of you doing your hiker's
You
pose.
have too many hiker's poses.
That's true. There we go. Oh wait, oh, both of you. Nice. And your flip flops and your.
We're rugged in our jeans and part of custom wool shirts and button ups. Okay, go.
I can do it easy.
Oh, Goliath just steps on up. Go stand over there with the camera. I need to get a picture.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with
Yeah.
I gotta get a picture for Autumn.
Okay. So I'm not gonna be able to get too close because it's spraying off lots of water, but I'm gonna come over here. I don't want it to get on my camera. Okay, so we just walked up some of the creaky river. Walked around in the mud a little bit. We're all shoeless currently. So I guess it's a good thing that we didn't bring boots. Look how pretty, it's all shimmery down there. So it's really pretty up that way. So Amelia fell in and got all dirty and wet. You okay, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. And currently they've just been sitting over there and sticking their feet in. We went through some pretty rough, look at these crazy people over here. We went through some pretty rough places. Caleb done took his shirt off. He's lost his shirt. Oh, it's zoomed in still. No, wrong way, wrong way. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I have grass in my hair. Are we going back? I guess we're just about to head back, so that was really fun. And it's just so pretty. I'm sorry that I didn't get to film a lot of it because I was trying not to fall in the water. Okay, so now we're back where we were. I don't know if you can hear me because this water is so loud. But where I was filming before, this is the top of it. There's our crew down there. Amelia, careful, please. And here's our Amelia. And I'm just really stinking pretty. Very stinking pretty out here. Okay, let's go wrangle these children up. Come on, get in so Chris can close our door for us.
Oh yeah.
Uh-huh. Wait, fingers inside, hands inside. Okay, so we're back in the car from our adventure. And I'm very tired. Are you really tired, Sophie?
Yeah.
Are you tired, Amelia? You're not?
Yep, I'm tired.
What about you, Chris? You tired?
I'm so tired, but I'd do it all again. It was awesome.
You want to give a shout out to anybody at home?
Yeah, I just want to shout out to Autumn and Moran and Tristina. Love you girls. And can't wait to see you when I get back.
We love you too, and we miss you.
Yeah.
Charlie's got any words of wisdom?
Yeah, you got any words of wisdom?
For me.
What's that pipe?
Thanks.
There's a pipe. That was his word of wisdom. There's
Okay,
a pipe.
anything else?
Mommy.
You know, don't go hiking in flip-flops unless you're a real man.
I went I'm proud of that. I went hiking in
You're a
flip-flops.
real man.
That's right, I'm a real man.
Other than that, Jesus loves you.
You're about as hairy as a man, too.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Now goodbye.
Jesus loves every hair on your
Mommy,
leg.
I'm
Hi guys, so Caleb and Chris left to go to...
Mommy.
What?
You come to the bathroom. You come to the bathroom for a minute.
Give me just a minute, let me finish cleaning this up. What are you crying about? So Caleb and Chris left to go to Caleb's Bible study, and I got in the tub. Sorry, you can't see me. They left to go to the Bible study. I got in the tub. So, and then I gotta cut it up. So they did that, and
Thank you.
very welcome. Let's see if that's good. Please don't fall, camera. Please don't fall. So they, I don't know what I was saying. Let me just start over. Starting now. They went to Victory Home to do their Bible study. So, I watched a couple of vloggers. Got in the tub. What was I even trying to say? I don't know. But anyway, I got in the tub and then I came out, and I don't know if anybody else's kids just like do the most. My kids do the most. Like, it's almost like if I'm not in the room, they just, it doesn't, like they can't just think to themselves, don't know if this would be a good decision or not. They just do stuff. And it's really super annoying because then I come out from a relaxing tub to find Amelia with gold glitter glue on as lipstick. And that's always that's never a good thing to come back inside to. So right now I'm just letting them finish up this episode of Scooby-Doo while I tidy up just a little bit.